made fire. Oh, it went out. Try again. Try again. Try again.
Where's the match? Are you recording?
Yeah.
Okay. So Jess, what's up?
What's up with what?
Everything.
Hmm.
Now we're stuck in the desert, forest,
Tropical.
place. Yeah?
Yep.
Don't get what I'm doing right now, alright? Don't record
Oh, okay. Not recording, but recording.
it. Record my face.
I'm recording your face.
Don't get this.
Not kidding.
What?
Now can I get it?
No.
Okay. Yes, now.
Okay, you know what? Making fire is difficult. Alright? Have you guys ever made fire in the forest? Oh, I know.
You made fire.
Not yet, not yet. Hold on, I'm almost at the making fire point.
Right there.
There. Look at that.
Oh my
people.
God.
I made fire out of rubbing two sticks together. Now I'm going to light our campfire. If it will light. There. People, we have,
Oh my God.
have fire.
Hmm?
Okay? Don't put sticks. That's happening.
Ew, what's on it?
You see that, people?
This is the best one we've gotten so far tonight.
When
I can even see your face almost. Hi.
See, you can see just. Yeah, I know. You can pretty much see it without. Okay, our stick is starting to kind of
Burn down. New stick. New stick.
No, I'm not using that stick. I use the
To clean the water.
stick.
Oh.
Okay, you guys ready? You're gonna see me. I'm gonna get this stick. I'm going. Whoa! Wow, that's a lot of fire.
It's all dying. Oh, how sad. Poor plant.
Did it die? Ah, I'm gonna get my shield. Sorry. Water.
Water.
Water. It's dead.
Okay.
No more fire.
Boing, in the jungle. Dude, put the light right here. Oh! Put the light right here.
Save that one for the next time.
Alright.
Because we don't want a humongous fire.
Oh, I do.
No?
Yes, never
We
mind.
start a forest fire.
Water! Water! Ah!
It's done.
It's dead. New one. Oh
Whoa.
my God, that's a big. I'm sorry.
Oh wow, this is exciting.
Oh, now it is. Now it is on.
You see that?
See, I see it. I can only see your camera.
I love how we have technology out
In the desert.
Oh.
Dude, why are you using your camera to move us?
I'm not gonna set myself on fire. So I'm now gonna get some more wood for our campfire.
Can you guys see me? Am I wide enough?
Yeah, that's a spider web.
Is it there? Well, don't worry, Tony. There's no spider in it.
I just told you that.
I know, that's why I said it.
Okay, that's not big enough.
Well, let me back up, because the one that I just did went...
Whoa!
Wow!
Did you get that?
I got it.
So nice.
So did I.
That scared me. I thought there was like a little animal. Go. You suck.
Trying to concentrate. Oh, shit. I do suck at this. New
Okay, my
stick.
turn.
New stick. It didn't work.
I'm going deep in the jungle to get.
Watch
Fire.
it. It's gonna...
Ready? Are
Wait.
you ready for this?
Don't put it in yet.
People, are you ready?
Are you ready?
I
Dun
don't
dun
think you're
dun.
ready.
Let's go.
This is going to be one. Ah!
Put it out. Put it out.
Okay, put it back in. Whoa, I'm gonna catch my leg on fire. Great, the whole entire fire went out.
Okay, this is bad, guys. It's dark, and it looks like I have a little Christmas tree in my hand. Ooh. Jingle bells.
Don't put it in. We have no fire.
Only electricity. I mean a flashlight.
Now it's turned empty.
Our little fire is put out.
And now I gotta make some more fire.